Look at this. Look at this so adorable kitten. What are you hiding for? And how about you, mommy? What are you roaring for? Is that the puppy over there, right, mama? Well, I see the cat mother is threatening the puppy, but the puppy just like don't care about her. They keep licking the food left over on the plate and on the bowl over there. And the cat mother now seems so ferocious and crazy. Just keep roaring to scare up the dog. Waiting time is so long. One of her kittens, not enough patience, already come to join with her. Now, two facing with one. The puppy over there seems so hungry. Still keep eating. Slicking the bowl, the food left over on the bowl. Oh my god, the kitten is coming forward the puppy. Kitten is not realize the danger, but its mother do. The mother is roaring louder. That she informed for her kitten there's a danger. When informed by its mother, kitten now to be aware of the risk. Puppy still don't care about the crazy mother. Still do whatever it wants to do. Come around searching for some food. The danger get closer. Now not only the mother roaring, but also the kitten does. The sound of roaring now louder and noisier. Oh no, the puppy suddenly appeared right behind her. And the kitten now hiding behind its mother. He's scared of the puppy, now it's just hiding and looking around. The puppy was so crazy, don't care about anything at all. He just like want to jump on the cat mother. As more crazy, ferocious and dangerous, the cat's mother revealed. And patent nature like nothing at all. The puppy that already heard the sound. One the other kitten also come to join with them. But this kitten seemed friendly and is want to make friends with the puppy. Say hello, but the puppy don't care. That's threatened. The kitten step back. The mother cat still keep on guard for its baby. Stick its eye on the puppy wherever it goes. Her kitten now is just only hiding behind her. And the puppy seems like want to play with the cat's mother. It's going around and waving its tail. Cat mother seems like don't want to give a chance for the puppy to get friends with its baby. It always keep roaring and make the sound louder every time when the dog gets closer. Why the dog is always going around waving here to say hello with them. And oh my god! The kitten and its mother just attacked the puppy. Cannot acquaint it with the cat, so the puppy have to searching for the first again. Cat mother now so angry and ferocious. Always keep the sounds and it make the sound louder, threaten the dog. Every time when the puppy get closer with its baby, the cat's mother bare the soft teeth and growling. Then the dog coming. The puppy was challenged with the cat, but it knows that it's not mad with the cat's mother, so it's just waving here and going around. And it's searching for a chance to make friends with them. It does cats and dogs not be a friend? Why the puppy was so friendly and the mother cat was so angry?